Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back. Let's start the show again. Alright, just before the market open, we have some levels here, particularly a London low and a 5-minute gap. And we went up there all the way, well, almost to the previous day high, but seems like there's a sell program in place. So yeah, almost 40 points to the downside right there. 5-minute BC. And markets are about to open in less than 2 minutes. So let's do this. What else do we have? Okay. London low is right here. Possible sell side liquidity. Okay. It's working. Well, let me open the chat. All right. Markets are about to open in 35 seconds. We're almost back to the midnight level. Big rejection on the daily candle, as you guys can see it. Let's see how it's gonna go. This is the 5-minute, 15 seconds. Five seconds. And here we go. All right, for now it seems like it wants to go down to all the way to 14 maybe. No idea yet. Maybe lower, who knows? Yeah, that would be down at 14, that 5-minute fair value gap. Let's see. Didn't actually break the lows. So nothing new about that for now. Went down, took some liquidity maybe at the midnight level, but nothing special for now. Question is if it wants to sweep those lows down there at that 5-minute gap. There's definitely some liquidity. And sell side at 18. Hey Nintendo, what's going on? Welcome. Well, it's going up. It is going up. So nothing special so far. I really thought that this is gonna sweep those levels down there. But it's not doing it, not for now. What about the 18 level? 18 point, what's the level? 18 on micro is the London low. If it wants to break it. All right, it took the 18. It took the 18. It actually went lower. I mean, the next level down there would be, well, the Asia low would be somewhere down there, I would say. That fair value gap at 60 would be a possible Asia low, but I'm not jumping in. Happy New Year. Thank you. I wish the same to you as well. Sorry, I wasn't reading the chat. I wish you a happy new year as well. I was watching the chart on my left screen. I would say this could be a good opportunity maybe to follow price down to 60. Not sure though. But I think it wants to go down, all the way down to 60. Look at that. Almost down there. Did it go for it? It should be. I think it got it. 59. What's that level? Maybe 58. There you go. And we have a new week opening gap low, a little bit lower down there. But this has been completely repriced, so I would say that the Asia levels are almost completely taken out, but we still have the 121 if this would be a sell-off. I'm not going to do anything with it for now, that's for sure. Yeah, the previous day low, I would say so, yes. The 121 would be a good level. I think so too. That would be a good level. And now we are in this fair value gap all the way down to 200, which is technically an inversion gap. So the sell-off could continue from here. 200 has been taken. The interesting thing is that on Sunday, price has bounced off from this 1 hour fair value gap down there from the midpoint. So I would say 132 could still be a minor target. Kirk, hey there, Happy New Year and good morning, Vietnam. Yeah, welcome. Good to see you. How are you doing? I hope you had a nice end of the year. I'm actually a little bit interested to take a short here on this, you know. I took a short on 215. My target would be 32. My stop is gonna be 57. Well, let me show you. I did take some trades earlier. Some of them were good, some of them not really good. But this is the one I'm in right now. Actually, I might going to bring this higher to here, and that's it. Yeah, I'm back to streaming. I took a few days off on Monday and Tuesday, and I think Friday I wasn't streaming, so I took the long weekend for the new year, but we're back. If it's not live trade, it's not real to us. It's live. Hey, Happy New Year, Keegan. Welcome. Good to see you, Keegan. Happy New Year. This one looks like a tricky one. It might go back up there to reprice some levels. I was looking for actually the 1 hour BC. Down there, and we have previous day low, but it seems like it wants to retest some higher levels, which is okay. I'm only in this with the micro, but if I can make it down there, I can make it at least $100 or so, something like that. And Vincent Vega, hey, Happy New Year. It was like, welcome, Vincent Vega. How's it going? We're back, you know, we're back. Maybe it wasn't a good idea to chase it. I admit that. You know what I could do? I could just let fate decide this. There, it's at break even now. So I'm going to let fate decide my trade. But it's at break even now, so if it wants to turn around, I'll just let it be. And here we go. I'm out. What do you know? Okay, looking for the next one. It might want to go back up there, but anyway, I'm just gonna look for the first fair value gap as well, which is way up there. Actually, I'm gonna delete this gap now and delete the sell side right there. If it turns around, then well, this is the area that I would be looking for. Oh no, that's not, oh yeah, that's good. That's proper. I don't want to re-enter into this one. So this is the waiting game now. Yeah, well, I use MT5, but only for charting. So I have some indicators running on MetaTrader 5, as you can see. This is, but I only use it for charting, for exponential moving averages. You know, that's the only thing I'm using it for. Kirk-thousand happiness for everyone. Exactly. Exactly. Yeah, exactly, Nintendo. Let's wait for a proper setup. I agree. Don't rush it. I was trying to chase it, exited at break even. I'm okay with it. Now I am just going to wait, and that is it. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. Pretty much swept liquidity down here, so it can also just turn around. 15-minute, nothing special. Bearish order block up there at 418, maybe. I think we're going back maybe to the first fair value gap up there. It's right at midnight. It's not a coincidence, I think. So get prepared. We might go back. Who knows? What's the distance here? Even if it trades above that, yeah, this could be a tricky one. Yeah, we have news. We have news. Minor news though. Manufacturing PMI. Okay, shifting. Maybe good for a scalp. Not sure. Picked up liquidity from this gap. I don't know if it wants to continue higher. I just don't see anything that I like here. Still 10 seconds to go for this one. I took a long position, targeting 300. Trying to go back to the first fair value gap. If it wants to go back. Maybe I'm gonna take one off right there if it gets there. If it gets there, I'm gonna take one off. If. That's a big if. Almost. Didn't go into the 70s yet. All right. Took one off. Targeting the fair value gap up there. Putting stop to... I don't like this. Putting it to break even. All right. Targeting the first fair value gap, but almost back there. There you go. First fair value gap has been taken. Awesome trade. There was a slight issue with the trade copier. I don't know exactly what happened here, but now it's okay. Okay, back to the first fair value gap. This was a cool one. So we had a break even down there. We had the partial up there. Quite all right. Manu Gixer, hey, thank you so much. I wish you the same as well. Happy New Year, profitable year, obviously, and you know what's most important is health. So so what's happening? Opening range high 72. Looking for that level, but I'm not gonna enter a trade, I think. It's possible buy side liquidity. Don't forget it, there's a 90% sale on Apex today. Only today. And Bulenox too. 91% and 90%. Only today. Just saying. 56 would be the next target, I think, by the way. I don't wanna go into anything. Just a quick phone call. All right, I'm back. I'm sorry, I just had a phone call. So, what happened? What happened? Price went higher. We still have some levels up there. But I don't see anything special here. Alright, seems like next target would be 59 based on the 5-minute chart. You have a flat candle there, and this is also a bearish order block. Slight rejection here. So I'll be looking the 5-minute chart as well for a possible trade setup for this one to go higher. All the way to 59. 459, yeah. Up to the 60s, I think. If it's not going to go up there, then we could see some levels to be repriced on the 5-minute. I entered to a small long position, only with 1 micro, and you know, looking for a continuation. Also because that level would be the high of a bearish order block at 60, at 460. Vivian, hey there, Happy New Year. Welcome. I hope you had a wonderful New Year's Eve. Or wonderful wonderful last days of the year. I took a few days off, but it's good to be back. Anyway, let me get this back up here. So I took a small position only with 1 micro, nothing special. If it goes lower, no issue. I will be looking for some kind of reaction somewhere down at the 320s, so way down there. Only risking about 100 on this trade. Well, not looking good. Based on the 5 minute, it should be taking up some liquidity down there. So obviously not a good entry. But at least we have the new hour. Looking for that order block to be broken. Reducing the risk. Targeting the 60s. Targeting the 60s. If we can get there. Come on, 60. What's it gonna be? Uh-oh. Rejection. Big ol' rejection. Oh man, I was really hoping that this one will go. I just still haven't decided if I should let some space for this one to breathe or put it to break even, because it's only a small position. So I'm just gonna wait. Repricing the 1 minute gap here. Let's see how far it wants to go. Still holding it. Up there is a 15-minute order block high in the 60s, just saying. So that would be the level I'm looking for. If you check your 15-minute chart, that's an order block high. I would really love that level to be taken. But at least I reduce some of the risk. Hey, 7 Money Bag. Yo, how to log in take profit in Rhythmic? I missed the long trade. You have to accept you have to download your Rhythmic Trader Pro. So download Rhythmic Trader Pro and log into Rhythmic Trader Pro to sign the agreement, you know, the data agreement. It's similar to like with other prop firms that using Rhythmic. So you have to have the checkbox. I have to click the checkboxes for the data agreement. In Rhythmic Trader, there's no other way around it. You have to accept it there. And when you're done, then you can log in with any other platform which supports Rhythmic. So you can log in with NinjaTrader, Quanthour. You know, you have to use Rhythmic Paper Trading as a server, I think. But so far, that's the thing. That's what you have to do. You have to download Rhythmic Trader Pro, accept the data agreement, and that's what you need to do. I think that could be an issue why you can't log in. I can log my Bulenox but not take profit. Yeah, but still, because you're on a different prop firm, so you just open Rhythmic Trader Pro, put in your credentials in Rhythmic Trader, and log in to Rhythmic Trader. And because it's from Take Profit Trader, the data provider is going to be Take Profit Trader. Accept the data agreement, and then when you accepted it, then you can log in, both with NinjaTrader or Quanthour. So it's not just for one time. Every prop firm, I mean, whenever you purchase a Rhythmic account with the new prop firm, then you have to accept the data agreement, as far as I know. But I'm gonna check it out, just you know, to make sure. Take Profit Trader, Rhythmic account. Just a second. Rhythmic data feed. So there's a video here. Check out this video. That's a wrap. Qualified 1 Apex 300k. Jesus Christ. You see, Malo Legacy, I told you last time we were talking about you were losing, you were in drawdown or, you know, in loss. And now, look at you go. No. Other two accounts. It's absolutely great. Congratulations, man. That's how you do it. I'm still believing in the spirit that this one should be heading to this level up there, which is the order block high. So that's what I'm hoping for. Yeah, Malo is he's a killer. He's rocking the market. Honestly, I think this is the point where I want to put this to break even. There. Because if it goes down below my entry, then obviously it wants to go lower. So I'm not sure if I'm doing the right choice here. But yeah, Malo is killing it. He's a pro. Oh, dude, look at that. Maybe I put the trade too soon to break even. I still believe that my level would be correct. The only problem is I think that it might want to sweep some more orders down there. Oh, man. Not sure I like it. Not sure that I like it. Could be taking the elevator down. All it would have needed is a small push. I might gonna do a mistake here and move my stop back to original place down there to let it some more room to breathe. I have a feeling that it might want to pick up some orders below this level. I might be making a mistake. I'm putting it back down there. No. Dude, I don't know what to do. I know I'm not I'm putting it back here. If it takes me out at break even, then it is what it is. What should I do? What should I do? I feel like it's just want to spike this small gap and then take off from there. Damn it. Yeah, I had this feeling. Now the question is it gonna go back? Oh man. I re-entered the trade, by the way. Maybe I shouldn't have. Only with one micro for now. Hey, Akram, good to see you. Hold the line. Yeah, I re-entered the trade, but I'm looking to close it. I'm down about $30, so nothing special. Yeah, I'm closing it now. Okay. At least I gave it a shot. It was a fair chance. I'm still in profit, by the way, on that account. But yeah, I was hoping for more. It's going back to the 5-minute gap right here. So looking for a possible reversal to the upside. I kind of like that bearish order block. I'm just not sure how far it wants to go down. See you in Valhalla. Yeah. Okay, it seems like that this one is pretty much repricing the whole thing here. It was almost like a bullish breaker, but the lower fair value gap is down here. Let's see. If I look at the 1-hour chart, still interesting. We didn't go for yesterday's, I mean, the 1st of January, yesterday low, which was a Wednesday low after market opens, so it can still be in the cards. I would say we have basically shifted structure on the micro and started to go down again. But how far? How far are we going? Going through the first fair value gap. And for a little bit it seems like that it might want to drop lower. Not sure. Could be popping maybe to shift structure. I don't know. Yeah, there could be a pop here. If it wants to continue lower, there is a small tiny gap down there, not a big one. Scalped a little bit, but I don't think I want to engage on this one. So I'm just gonna wait for a setup here. Not gonna do anything else until I don't see a proper setup. Let me see my copy trader. All right, I'm copy trading. Five-minute levels. Also interesting how the first fair value gap from last day of December was, I mean, how price was acting to that gap up there. It's kind of like telling us that they want to push it down. Rejected from the first fair value gap. Like almost every major level has been taken, and it seems like price might want to congest into a consolidation. But I'm not sure. Okay, anyway, let's wait out what it wants to do. If it's shifting structure to the upside, then we will think about our next move, or if it's going to make a continuation below 254, then we'll think about that move as well. to go down into that 1 hour CB. Or sorry, busy. Buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. Nothing else. Some of that is still has not been repriced. And on the big picture, we have equal lows on the downside. So, you know, anything can happen. At this point, no trade. Have to wait for the proper move. Yeah, I'm not jumping into anything. Overall, all is looking good. Oh, green almost everywhere. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 funded accounts are green. So I'm not sure I want to risk it for the biscuit there. Let's wait for the move. Is there going to be some kind of a, you know, displacement? Okay, small displacement. Could be good enough. To take it for a spin. If it goes down maybe to the 200s. Took a small short position. Small short position here. A little bit risky. I'm gonna be monitoring this closely. Yeah, I might even close it down. Actually, my stop should be there, yeah. Because I thought that it might want to reprice, and actually not just there, but higher. That's it. Man. Ah, I knew it. I knew it. It was looking too good. You know. Nevertheless. I did what I could. Nevertheless, there was a small gap here. Right here. That's why I thought that this could be a good option. You know, now that it has repriced it, could be ready to fall. Take out some levels. Yeah, unfortunate. Unfortunate. Those biscuits are good. You missed 2 longs. I'm still looking for a possibility here. You know, so far, this level is still kind of valid for a possible short, but I just don't like the way that the candles are printing here. I took a short again. But to be honest, I don't know what to expect here. Put it to break even there. If it wants to go, then the 200 level would be nice. If it's not gonna go for it, then it's fine. Actually, final target would be all the way down, but low-hanging fruit would be somewhere at 202. So my TP is 202.25. I took a partial, but I don't know. It's gonna take me out, I think. Yeah. No problem. Took partial there. 667. Yeah, maybe I should re-enter. Who knows? It feels like it might want to do a shift, as you can see. Look at that. Shifting. But I think you're right, Kirk. I think it might want to sweep those levels. We have some nice, decent targets up there as well. But so far, no shift. It's just hard to go by with this. Basically, price is just hanging in this new week opening gap. And I'm trying to figure out if it wants to test that 1 hour BC or not, because price got rejected from it earlier. Oh, 167. Yeah, could be. Yeah. Yeah. Could be. There's still like 11 minutes until the macro. We have the 200 level down there. Yeah, nothing special. Going sideways. Maybe after 1050. If it wants to shift, it will shift. Might want to return into the first gap. Yeah, we have the news in 20. Yeah. That's why I'm still not sure about this. Pretty much congested down here. If it wants to push it down again, it would be nice to see it testing the 200 or below. But for now, nothing. Yeah. Not sure. I'm not. I don't think I'm. I mean, I'm gonna wait for a setup, but this would be an ideal entry after shifting this small structure here. But and I would like to target that level down there. So if it would reprice that gap, maybe with 1 micro, I could enter. So I might gonna put a limit order, a limit sell at those levels. I'm not sure. This was a nice little shift here. At least I can say I tried. If it wants to reprice it. I put a limit sell order at 39. But I think it might want to drop. There's a small gap here. Would be interesting if it would take it. This one. Or it might just want to drop without that. Gizno. I don't have any rhythmic issues for now. You were 400 away from passing. And blow them, Raul. Sorry to hear that, man. Oh, man. You know, the issue is it happens to every one of us. I mean, it happened to me with like $10 or $5. I don't even remember now, but it happened to me as well. So, I'm sorry to hear that, Roll. I know it sucks. Da, 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 da. Okay, I got filled. My stop is at 79.75. And my take profit is going to be way lower. It's going to be at 32. Who cares, right? Da, 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 da. Hey Jess, there's no giveaway today, but don't worry, giveaways will resume. Will resume this month. Actually, maybe I should bring my TP all the way down to. Oh, it's gonna be fine at 140. $140 is okay. I'm fine with it. All right, let's see. The macro should be kicking in less than 2 minutes. 1 minute and 45 seconds. The problem is I don't know if my stop is gonna hold until then. Unfortunately. Well, it seems like it's not. It seems like it's not. Not good. Almost out. Almost out. Is it possible that it's shifting? I'm out. It seems like it's shifting. So what about the news? Crude oil, that's not important. Yeah, this was interesting. But hey, we shifted, so there's nothing we can do about that. And now, you know, it might want to go back to take out the order block. On the 15 minute, which is this one, we still have that bearish order block up there. Looking pretty good. 423 as a possible target. Oh yeah. Would be awesome to take it. Would be great. Why do I have the feeling that it wants to break that 18 level? Did it go for it eventually? It didn't, right? Now it will. Okay, it's going higher again. Why am I not surprised? Da, 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 5 minute has been repriced. The first gap is reacting. I mean, sorry, price is reacting for the first gap to the first gap. The wicks do the damage, the candles tell the story. Now, if this was the damage down here, and this beautiful candle is the order block's meant to be broken, then I'd like to go with the idea that it will go higher, but I'm not in the trade. I'm not sure I want to participate in the trade. All right, entered a long position only with one micro here. And my take profit will be at 69.25. I'm copy trading this. I can't take partials. I don't want to risk more than $100 on this trade. If that's the target up there, then I want to see this go. Dude, look at this. What the hell? Reducing my risk. Putting it to break even. Oh no. This always keeps happening to me. It's not going. It's just not going. Not yet. I'm not sure if I'm not sure. We have to survive 2 more minutes until the new hourly candle. I think it wants to sweep some levels. Still, it's not ready to pop yet. So I think I'm stuck in this. It's not ready to pop. It's gonna sweep down below maybe. Yeah. It's gonna sweep lower. Damn it. I was so close. I was so close. Well, we tried. We really did. We really did. This is it. Okay. But at least we know that this gap here is still actually very strong, and it's holding price. Very good. It actually shifted this structure here, leaving a small gap. Down to 30. Does it want to go down to 30? I'm actually tempted to take a short, Who cares? Took a small short. The idea was that this one here, there was some order here that has been picked up, and now we're delivering down below 31. So got rejected from that gap and might be delivering still to the downside. If that's the case, as soon as it breaks 53.50, if it goes down there, I'd like to put this to break even or something. That would be great. Okay, completely repriced that small gap. Adding one more. To the trade. I think I'm putting it to break even, maybe. No, I just... Oh, damn it. Alright, I closed everything. I'm sorry I messed around with this, but price was dropping so fast, I just had to close everything. But hey, I made $180 on this one, and 200 on the other one. At least the trade copier worked out fine. I would say this was quite a good one. Good trades. Good trades. If we have volume. Overall, I'm absolutely happy. Today I made about $200 on this funded account. This funded I made 172. 231, 170, 154 on this one. On the Bulenox accounts, I made 180 on this one, 200 on this one, and the MyFundedFutures accounts are in recovery mode. But I made 117 on this one, almost back to the main balance. And today I made this one on the MyFunded. So this one is above 50k at least. So overall, I'm super happy. And look at that! Finally, price is actually going down where it's supposed to be. All right. Yeah, Kirk, it was a nice trade, and I did like it. And you know, let me just break down this trade again of what happened here, in my opinion. So, in my opinion, what happened here is the first fair value gap that was presented here at 933. It was pretty crucial. You know, as we extended it, we saw that, you know, price was rejected from up there from that other fair value gap. But that's the thing. We went below this one, this first fair value gap down there. We basically inverted it again, got back into it again, rejected, strong rejection down there. And as price was hovering here, it left this small gap here, the small tiny little fair value gap. And I know we see these gaps all over the place, but the thing is that this gap, actually this 1 minute gap, look at the wicks. The wicks actually did some damage here, repriced some of these. I mean, took some of these orders. And I did like the way that it got rejected there. So I took 1 micro here. And the second one, when it wicked into this, I took 1 more micro here to a sell. And as for target, the low-hanging fruit, one of my favorites, you know, was this volume imbalance down there. And that's it. That was the trade setup I was looking for, and it beautifully went down to the target. So I did like it, and overall I'm green everywhere. So this was pretty much a good day so far. And with that being said, everybody, I don't want to give anything back to the market. So thank you everybody for watching, but I think I'm gonna call it here, and I'll be back tomorrow for the London session. As usual, everything is back on track. So thank you so much. Don't forget it that today is the last day for the 90% sale with Apex and 91 with Bulenox. But also check out the other sales as well. Take Profit Trader, MyFundedFutures, and instant funded accounts with Tick Trader. Check them out. If you would like to support the channel, please use my codes. Works everywhere. And check out the new starter account, Starter Plus, with MyFundedFutures, 20% discount. All right, everybody, thank you so much, and this was a good day so far. Happy New Year. Hope to see you guys tomorrow in London. God bless you all. I'll be back. All right, take care. God bless everyone. Cheers.